So it's Friday, the 20th of December 2024, and just going to do an update now of the tornado that ripped through Kidsgrove. So we're starting off at Clough Hall Park, and you can see they have chopped down a lot of the trees now and started cutting them up. But I'm still surprised the park is shut. I wonder when they're going to reopen it. So there's a few more trees that have been cut down there, look, as well for you. And they're all chopped up into logs. But like I say, I can't believe 2 weeks on we've still got Clough Hall Park shut. So I'll walk down to the gate and we'll just have a look at the gate, see if there's any notices or anything on. But again, I've just seen there how they've cut more down and there's more logs and more branches there. So I'm just getting now down to the park gates. I'll see if it does say anything on there and see if it says anything about when the park's actually reopening. And there's just a notice there now: due to serious tree damage by storm, Clough Hall Park is temporarily closed, do not enter. And that's by the council, but it doesn't give you any information to when they're going to reopen it, and they've still got the padlock on. And looking across the road here, they've still got all the woods fenced off, so you can't even get in the woods. And they've even put one of the notices there in that case about the park. Let's have a look through the gate. Have a walk down now to where the church was and just see if they've cleaned anything up down by the actual church, or see if they've moved all them big branches. But we're 2 weeks on now, and like I say, park's still closed. That just amazes me. I'm heading down towards the church, and I can't believe what I'm seeing here either. The tree is still all on the church here. Again, I thought that would have been sorted out by now. So we've still got the cordoned off ropes, looking a mess round the bin and round this lamp post. And here's where all the trees blew over in the storm. So there's still a lot actually down. It doesn't look like they've actually done a great deal with them. It's like they have been cutting some of the branches off. I don't know whether that's been people come and get firewood, or whether it's been the council. And like I say, to my amazement here, we've still got the big tree on the church. If I look across the road, the cordoned off area there has been opened. I don't know whether the council have actually done that, because they did shut them woods off, or whether people have just got fed up that they can't go up there and open it up themselves. Still a real mess, all cut up and muddy, all on the grass verges. Looks like there's been quite a few diggers or trailers or whatever on here. A lot of the wood has gone since I was last here a couple of weeks ago on the Sunday morning. And as I said a minute or two ago, I don't know whether that's actually been taken by people for firewood, or whether the council have moved it. Look at that tree, how it's just torn it apart. And look at the tree there, just absolutely ripped to shreds. But like I say, look what a mess they've left all this area here. It's all even horrible for walk on here, all messed up and sludgy. But this, like I say, what's amazed me is how this great big tree here is still on the church. Nobody's moved it from the church. So I could do with some comments dropping, especially from the council when they see this video, and just tell us what they're intending to do here, because it does look an absolute eyesore. It doesn't look good at all. So if there is anybody from the council actually watching, drop me a comment and tell me what's happening and when the Clough Hall Park is getting open and things like that. Let's have a look again here. Like I say, it's amazing. This big tree is still down on the building there, and it does look there like the tree has pushed more into the building, and the building has collapsed more than on my previous films. I'm not 100% sure on that. We'll have to look back. But it's all in here, all the branches, and it's all taped off. So I'm just going to have a look now along Boathorse Road and have a look if there's any progress being made there, and I'm going to have a look if the woods are actually open there as well. So we'll go round the corner here and find out for you. Very cold today. I'm just going to have a look what temperature it actually is. It says it's 6 degrees, but it does feel a lot colder than that. So this is Boathorse Road now. This is where all the trees actually come down and close the road. And let's just go have a look at the woods, see if the woods have been reopened. And looking at it, they haven't. But the path is open. So there's some sign here. I'm going to read that now. So it does say there, look, and it's all fenced off. And let's see what this says. Please keep out, danger of falling branches and uneven ground. And it's showing you there a picture, I think, of what happened. So it's showing there's going to be a closure of at least 21 days, but that could be extended. So let's have a look along here and see what's happening along Boathorse Road. So we have still got a lot of trees down here. Nothing really, I don't think, has been cleaned up along here at all. It's still all down, and trees and branches and everything just lying in the road. A lot of firewood here. If people need any firewood, look at that tree. Just tumbled and lying, and you can see there we've got trees toppled and they're just lying on top of each other. Very surprised it isn't all cordoned off here, because you could get kids actually trying to get up there, and it does look dangerous because the trees have fell and they're just leaning on other trees. And there's a tree, look, that's just been absolutely ripped apart again. Branches everywhere, again here. We'll just go along to where the fence was completely crushed here and have a look what they've done there and if they've done anything. Got more branches here. So this is where all the big trees were down and where it actually crushed the fence. So the fence is all down and crushed here, look, as you can see. Look at that. So it does want completely repairing. And if I look across the road there, look at that tree. That tree was absolutely ripped apart. But it didn't touch any of the other ones by it. That's quite amazing, really. So the big branches that fell here must have come off that tree there. Look, you can see where it actually broke them off. I'm zooming into that for you now. So it ripped them off there. And everywhere there's twigs and that and different thin branches just lying in the road and on the footpath here. So let's head back here along Boathorse Road. I suppose the care home there was lucky that didn't get hit. The tornado must have come along here and changed its direction there and not actually gone through there. Well, there is a lot of work that does need to be done in the woods here, just to make them safe, I would say. So let's carry on back to towards Clough Hall Park. So I just thought today I would give you a 2-week update. We'll have to probably come back again in another week and just see if anything else has been done here, and see if they have done any more clearing up. But another question I'm going to ask you, if anybody can answer me, I wonder when they're going to pull that tree off the old church. We've got a car and a van there, nobody wants to give in and nobody can get past. So I can just see the rail was actually damaged here as well by probably a smaller branch, because it did extend all along here with all the branches on the road along Boathorse Road. So like I say, the barrier's actually been damaged there as well, look you. So we're back onto the main road and we're going to walk up now, up past the church again. And we'll go back, get in the car which I've parked by Clough Hall. This property was lucky. It wasn't it. That is somebody's home. As I say, such a shame really for the church here, and I just can't believe it's been damaged as bad as it actually has. So let's keep heading back. I think the owner actually taped that off, but it was amazing how they even kept it closed across the road there. Have another look here before we go. Like I say, it's just an absolute mess, a mud bath, and it just does look absolutely shocking. It's changed the perspective here of Kidsgrove completely. And like I say, it's a mess all the way up here. All the grass verges are cut up, the footpaths are a real mess. So, I mean, even if they only cleaned the footpaths up, it'd be better. So people could walk. And as I say, I don't know how long they're going to keep the park closed. That's a shame as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this small follow-up video I've done of the mini tornado which ripped through Kidsgrove 2 weeks ago. As I say, I will be bringing you some more videos about this. We will come back and have another look at it in probably a week's time and just see if there's anything being done or if anything's been changed. So I'll say goodbye and I'll say thanks for watching, and would be much appreciated if you would subscribe to the channel. It does really help. And if you'd share the video and hit the notification bell. We'll see you soon on the next video. Thanks again.